Hopefully you would have watched how to remove all the accessories from a Land Rover console, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fit them all back in. I always start with the blanking plug, so figure out whether it's a left hand or right hand drive vehicle to where the console is going to be, because if it's a right hand drive vehicle then the microphone wants to go on the right hand side, which is this side. So in this one I'll do the reverse, fit the phone plug, IMS unit, clip it in at the front and the rear, and then assemble this. It's probably better off to do the clip first. Connector in, IMS, these are fiddly if you've got big hands, but they will go in. Just push it down, make sure it's clipped in. Same for the left. On the right, and then clip, 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 all in. And then finally the microphone. Because this is right hand, this will go in here. There is a location rib, and you will see on the right hand side it's down to the bottom corner at about 5 o'clock. This then clips in next to the main connector here, and then this basically just doubles back underneath this to tuck it out of the way. And that is it. Okay, thank you.